This is the Avis Wavy line. It's got cuts for side pins, but I do not believe there's any side pins in this lock. Put up a little bit of a fight. Put up a little fight. I went ahead and removed this. I went ahead and removed the C-clip just to make life a little bit easier to get this. I don't know if I'm gonna have to remove the other one though. Looks like it'll come out. So there is some side pins in there. I guess they're just not active. Wow, that's blinding. So that pin does not, there is, you can see a little protrusion right there for that pin, but I didn't feel any of those side pins whatsoever. Let's see if I can get it out. All right, well, it appears like that's staked in there or something. It's not coming out. As you can see, these pins are already fully in without the key inserted. They do stick into the keyway. So I don't know if they're for some kind of key control or what, but they are inactive. I spun the core counterclockwise so they wouldn't have even interacted anyway, but they're not lined up with the driver pins, so they would not become active by turning the plug clockwise. So they wouldn't be like trap pins or anything. See if I can get these out without them flying everywhere. Probably should just be using a front follower for this, but I'm lazy and don't feel like getting it. So there is down the plug, or the housing. Got some slots in there, I guess, for those side pins, which in this lock were not active. So we got standard spool, standard spool, standard. This one's got, almost looks like a little T-pin kind of. Need an extra little nudge to get past the shear line. And these key pins here, see that one's tapered. And that one as well. I don't know how clear that shows up, but it does have a taper to it at the top there. And then these 4 side pins. I'm gonna try one more time to get this out, but I do not see it moving. Yeah, it is stiff. It's not moving at all. So that must be like I don't know if it's an anti-drill pin or what, but I'm not really sure, because there is 5 cuts on here for side pins, so it'd be that last one, but I'm not sure why it won't come out, honestly. It's the Avis Wavy line.